you.
A cold towel.
Amazing.
Amazing. Guys, you walk in, and there's a big king bed, and a safe, and a big closet. In here, some nice robes. And the fridge is down there, and we have a little Nespresso, which is nice. We've already made a mess. And a little seating area. Sean, are you excited?
It is absolutely amazing.
And then out here is absolutely beautiful. Our room is amazing with the soaking tub. And then you go back this way and you can see into the shower and the bathroom. There's a big mirror, double sinks. This is the toilet and a rain shower. Amazing.
Absolutely.
Okay, you guys, we made it to the beach. I literally feel like I'm in a dream.
Literally.
Like, this does not feel real to me.
It's not. It's not real.
It's the most magical place. You having a good vacation?
Amazing. It's Brooke's birthday.
It's my birthday.
22. You get to celebrate in paradise.
In paradise. Whoa.
It's gonna make next year's birthday hard.
Terrible. Maybe we'll come back. There's not a lot of shells here.
No, not really.
But
Bunch of like coral. It's like coral chunks.
coral and seaweed.
Not as bad as it was.
Yeah, the seaweed's going away. What'd that
Yeah.
lady say?
She said like a month ago it was everywhere. It was like covered the whole ocean. As far as you could see was seaweed.
And then it gets better.
Yeah. So just have a seaweed season.
Yeah. So that's it for now. We're gonna go back to our room and have breakfast.
Here's a little shell.
We saw a little miniature crab yesterday.
And just a
He's
little
teeny
tiny
tiny.
little shell, yeah. Around the pool too, it's crazy.
Yeah. So, okay. Love ya.
Love you guys. Bye bye.